Hello and welcome to Kigali, Rwanda and the 2018 African Regional Conference. I'm joined today by Agnes Gathaiya, who's the Chief Executive of PesaLink. Agnes, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
Now, Agnes, you'll be speaking on a panel looking at instant payments in Africa and whether 2018 is the year for instant payments for the continent. Perhaps you can start by giving us a sense of what the instant payments landscape looks like across the continent today.
Thank you very much. Instant payments are a relatively new phenomenon globally. I think the first country to implement instant payments was the UK about just 10 years ago. And through a hit and miss process, they've been able to finally get it right. Following their success, a number of other countries have implemented instant payments. Globally, Kenya was the 10th country to implement instant payments through PesaLink. The first country in Africa to actually implement instant payments was Nigeria, and soon after we implemented, South Africa has come on board. So most people would wonder why instant payments? There's mobile. You know, Africa has been leading in the mobile space quite significantly. Now, instant payments provide yet another efficiency in the payments landscape, very complementary to mobile payments. Mobile payments in most countries have a limit. So the transactions largely remain peer-to-peer. Merchant payments have also been implemented in many countries on mobile, but they tend to be focused on the microenvironment. There's a space there between large corporate and that microenvironment where cash is still king. I always joke that if you walk around in town in Nairobi today and you stop, you put a roadblock, you will find people carrying $2,000, $3,000 worth of currency in every pocket that they have. And why are they doing this? Because they're going to trade. So for economies to become cash lighter, there's an opportunity to create a lot more efficiency in the banking space, and that is where instant payments come in.
And that's where PesaLink comes in, and you're driving efficiencies and offering new opportunities for instant payments to SMEs and to corporates, as you mentioned. So as this sort of instant payments landscape matures through actors like PesaLink, in what ways will that sort of benefit the broader economic development of markets which have this capability?
As we know, cash is expensive. Cash is extremely expensive, and it significantly increases the costs of doing business. Instant payments do a number of things. One, they ensure that people get their money just in time. So from a cash management perspective, for example, you may be trying to manage your cash flows, and your supplier knows that if you say you're going to pay on this particular date at this particular time and you use PesaLink, they will receive their money. So it obliterates the whole need of going, collecting cash, taking it across town, making your payments, you'll be robbed. However, even without using cash, there's still a lot of inefficiency in banking. A lot of the transfer modes that exist take from hours to days to complete. That completely slows down the velocity of money. As a trader, you want your money today. So if I give you a good or a product or a service, I want to be paid instantly for me to be able to convert that money into stock to be able to make my next sale. So the velocity of money is very, very important. What instant payments do is they provide real-time payments, 24/7. So you don't close your business because the bank has closed. You don't close your business because CBK cannot settle. It's after 3 p.m. Your business can run 24/7, and that helps drive what is now being pushed across Africa as a 24-hour economy. The 24-hour economy can only work if money is still flowing within the economy. And that is what instant payments do.
Okay, well, Agnes, thank you so much for your time today. Thank you.
Thank you.